In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right eCitizen app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So for you to download eCitizen app on your Android smartphone, you need to go and look for Play Store on your phone. Now, if you tap on Play Store, you'll get to this interface where you can search for the app here. However, if you can't see the search bar, then head to search here and click on it. Then just enter eCitizen like that. And now to search, tap on this icon and you'll see we have quite a number of apps here. So go ahead and tap on this eCitizen app from eCitizen. So if I tap on it, you can see we have eCitizen Gava Mkononi app and it is from eCitizen. So make sure it is from eCitizen and this is the logo. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 3.7 from 778 reviews. This is a government institution app and the file size is 137 MBs with over 500,000 downloads. Go ahead and tap on install to start downloading this app and then it will be installed on your smartphone. From here, you can proceed and tap on open, or if you go on your apps here, you'll see we have eCitizen app here. If you tap on it, this is the interface. You can now go ahead and log in. So that's how you can download eCitizen app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.